Okay, here we are. We're leaving now from Sumilon, which is just really close to Dumaguete City. We're gonna head across to Cebu, and just about a maybe 20-minute scooter ride. We'll end up in Oslob, and we're just gonna hang out there for a couple of days, and we'll just do some video and see what we find to do. Let's check it out. Looks like we're in good hands. He's rested up for the long trip. This is not a long trip. It only takes maybe about, I don't know, what do you think? I've done it before. It takes about 30 minutes. You can see a little shower there. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna take off here in a minute. Tomorrow we're gonna be on that island over there. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see you standing here. Huge a huge school of flying fish just flew right across the water, right in square in the middle of the camera. Anyway, probably couldn't see it. So yeah, we're gonna go to that island tomorrow. That is Sumilon. There goes they're right in there. Talk about the flying fish. They're just, anyway. Sorry, something shiny, so I was distracted. Alright, here we go. We got Hannah and her mom. They're excited about the trip, you can see.